Step 1. Stop feeding speed. Short videos, fast scrolling, quick dopamine. That's where the damage begins. That's why you can't study like before. That's why reading feels slower now. That's why one hard task can feel unbearable after a few minutes. Your brain is being trained to hate depth. That's the trap. The more your mind gets used to speed, the less it can tolerate real work. And that's exactly why sitting still feels harder now. So if you want your focus back, stop feeding your brain everything that makes depth feel painful. Step 2. Make your life harder on purpose. This sounds wrong. However, it's true. A soft life creates a soft mind. Easy pleasure, easy escape, easy distraction. It all feels harmless. But over time, it teaches your brain to resist effort. And a brain that resists effort will always struggle to focus. People think focus comes from motivation. Wrong. It comes from friction, from challenge, from doing things that don't feel instantly good. That's why comfort is making you weaker. And if this already sounds hard, that's exactly the point. Step 3. Finish what you start. This one destroys more people than they realize. You start studying, then stop, open another tab, check your phone, reply to a message, come back later. Now your mind is split, and then you wonder why you can't lock in. You can't focus because your attention is still stuck in everything you left unfinished. That's what mental clutter does. It kills concentration before you even begin. That's why even watching a video like this to the end can feel harder than it should. A mind that finishes things becomes a mind that stays with things. And this is where most people start realizing their focus problem is actually a habit problem. Step 4. Reduce the noise. Too much music, too much content, too much background noise, too much input. Your brain never resets. And that is why silence feels uncomfortable now. That is why a quiet room feels strange. You think you're bored. You're not. Your mind is overstimulated. And a brain that is constantly fed slowly loses its ability to stay with one thing. So no, you don't need more stimulation. You need less. Because stillness is where focus starts coming back. Step 5. Give your focus something worth serving. This is where most people fail. And it's usually the step they least expect. Because when your life has no clear direction, your brain starts chasing whatever feels good right now. Study, phone, work, entertainment, it all feels equal. And if everything feels equal, your brain will choose the easier option every time. That's why people say they want focus, but can't sit with their own work for even 20 minutes. Not because they're lazy, because their mind has nothing meaningful to serve. Focus becomes powerful when it has a reason, a goal, a mission, a future that matters more than the distraction in front of you. So if your focus is getting worse, stop asking, "What's wrong with me?" Ask, "What is my mind being trained to serve?" So give your mind a reason to lock in. Your focus is not gone. It's waiting to be trained back again.